if you receive 1 like on your post, you get 1 extra view.
That's awesome.
If you get 1
it's cool
click,
that they put that down.
Yeah, if you get 1 click, so like on your call to action, whether that's like see more or call now or so on, you get 4 extra views.
Yeah.
1 share is 7, 1 comment is 12.
And going back to your original point, it's
Yep.
the first 90 minutes after you share something, you want that engagement.
Absolutely.
So that's something you can, like if you're putting out a post from your business page, like make sure you have people interact with it, not in a spammy way, but like have employees like tag them on it, make sure that they know like, hey, get right on it. And if you're posting
Absolutely.
at the right time, that should be doable.
Absolutely. And so it's cool that you mentioned that. So the report also mentioned it should be one of your goals to actually encourage your prospects or your viewers to visit your profile, because if they visit your profile, you have a higher chance that your next post will populate in their feed more.
Okay.
So like your call to action shouldn't just be spammy where it's like, here's my website, click on it for more information. No, like give them value to the point that they're like going to your profile to learn more. And then your next post will populate higher on their feed because like LinkedIn knows that they went to your profile because they gained some value.
Yeah.
So like, let's show this person's recent updates.
And that goes back to the whole like content marketing idea that we've been preaching since the very beginning. It's
Exactly.
like your social media page should be a repository of awesome value add content that people want to binge through and go through.
That's it.
And that's exactly what they're doing.